Hey guys, now me and my friend Joro were going out of the city because I've watched a lot of clips in YouTube of people trying to get the best range of the DJI Spark. However, none of them have given the best settings and the best recommendations to get the most out of your aircraft. So now we're heading out of the city and I'll show you how we can get the best range, and we'll see how far it can go. Okay guys, we found the spot. We'll do our first test here. Just look around. It's an empty field. There are some electrical wires, but they're far away. And we'll see if we can get past them. But it shouldn't be that much of an interference. So now I'm setting up the gear. Okay guys, so we had our first flight. We went 700 meters in this direction. I will put some really nice video for you from this flight. But the wind was picking up, so we cut it off there. And I have an issue with the OTG cable. I get this message all the time. The device is not supported. It pops up on the screen. And the video is going black and white, the connection is gone, just until you press dismiss. After you press dismiss, everything's back to normal. However, I didn't like the experience of the OTG cable. Let me know in the comments below if you have the same issues with the OTG cable or mine is just not right. Otherwise, the connection was good. And one more remark. I didn't like that when I have an OTG cable connected, I cannot see the connection of the Wi-Fi between the remote and the aircraft. So basically I didn't know, am I at 1, 2 or 3 dashes on my connection. So we're gonna go to another place where the wind is not that much and we'll do a second test for you. See ya! guys, so just before we took off with the car, we saw this flock of cows over there, and we couldn't help ourselves but to make this cinematic video of the cows with the drone. So we wasted one more battery without any testing. Let me tell you, I connected it to my new iPad Pro 10.5 inch, and the connection was great. I couldn't fit it on the remote, but anyways, I left it in the trunk and I was just standing next to the car. I forgot to update my Wi-Fi connection to 2.4G. However, the connection was really good. There is no interference, there is nothing from me to the cows. So we went there about 400 meters away and we made these shots for you. Thanks. Pretty heavy, it's 16 knots, but we'll give it a try. We'll try to do a range test. We'll fly first against the wind, so we leave it the easier job for the rollback. Since it's pretty windy, I'm gonna try to take off from my hand. Let's see what happens. That was okay. So now we are connected in 2.4, and we'll do that. Okay, so now we're 330 meters away. We're going higher to increase the signal. Okay, you saw the max motor warning. Because of the high wind velocity, I will go slower. We're going 460 meters. We're about to lose connection soon. I cannot see the drone, that's not good. But since we're in the field, that shouldn't be a problem. 600 meters. Okay, the wind is really heavy right now. At 700 meters I'm gonna turn it around and bring it back. Yeah, I can see it, it's coming. I don't see it anymore. Okay, but that's good. In a wind of 16-17 knots with higher gusts, we managed to go 700 meters away. And we achieved more than the maximum speed. The drone is over my head right now. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see me. Let me go into the sun. I'm right here. Okay, so as you can see, the drone right now he's trying to battle with the wind. We still have some battery left, and because I don't want this flight to be a waste, we'll do some tricks in the air. I hope you can see them. Let's go a little bit back.